guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dina here. So today I wanted to show you how I do one of my favorite masks. As you already know, if you've been following my channel, I do have acne prone skin. So I always try to do things to keep my skin clear, to fight acne, to fight dark spots and things like that. So this little mask has been very useful since I started my skincare journey. Right now I'm wearing makeup, so I'm going to take that off and I'm going to wash my face, and then once I wash my face I'll be applying the mask on my skin. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you can already tell, this is gonna be a DIY home mask. So we're gonna be using lime and an egg and honey. So I don't have lemon, but normally I would use a lemon. So I'm gonna be using a lime this time, and for egg, you can use any eggs that you want. I prefer to use organic brown eggs, so that's what I'm using today. And then for the honey, you can choose any honey that you choose to. Just make sure that it is natural and unpasteurized. That's the better honey that you can use on your skin. At this time, I don't need a lot of mask. I'm just gonna be using a teaspoon. So I'll be using a teaspoon of lemon or lime, and about 2 teaspoons of honey. And for the egg, you just want to use the white. We're not gonna use the yellow part of the egg. So tell me, do you love using honey on your skin? I do love using honey. I use honey on my hair, on my skin all the time. What other ingredients do you like to use on your skin? Any natural ingredients? Please let me know in the comment section. So I know it is a little tricky to remove the white of the egg and keep the yolk separated. So what I do is I just crack the egg in two and I just keep it close. I don't separate it. That way the white part can just slide out, leaving the leaving the yolk inside of the egg. Here I'm just making sure that the ingredients are mixed well, and just add as much honey as you need to make it thick, because if you don't add enough honey, then it's not going to be thick enough for you to use on your skin. So that is why I'm adding more honey. I use approximately 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey. At this point, I think everyone knows the benefits of honey. But if by any chance you don't know anything about honey, you've been living under a rock, so I'll give you a few of the benefits of honey. Honey is great for your skin in general. It is used to treat face acne, eczema, psoriasis, and many other skin conditions. The most important thing about using honey to treat this condition is to use unpasteurized honey, such as Manuka honey. The reason is that it still contains its healthy bacteria, and that will activate your immune system and help with inflammation, redness, and it will heal blemishes. So this is the mask. Like I said, you can use as much honey as you wish to make it thicker. So for me, this is what it looks like, and I'm okay with that. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to remove my makeup, and once I remove the makeup, then I can apply it. So here, this is how I wash my face when it has makeup on it. I just use a makeup remover, and I wash my face with that. Once I'm done, I just dry out my face with my face towel, and
I am just ready to apply this mask now. So I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it. If you have a mask applicator, feel free to use that if you want. That's probably better, but it's not messy. It's not the most messy mask, so I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this mask on my face. So of course with the egg in it and honey, it's gonna feel slimy and sticky. So just be aware of that. And if you don't like the smell of egg, then this mask is not for you because you're gonna be smelling like egg for the next few minutes. So I'm just applying it everywhere, all around my face. It's a natural mask, so don't worry about it getting in your mouth or your eyes. Well, at least I don't worry about that because it's a very natural mask. I use everything organic and natural. I'm not saying to put it in your mouth or your eyes. I'm just saying that it's not something I worry about at this point. For this mask, anyways. I just left it on for about 20 minutes. You can leave it on for 20-30 minutes if you wish. It's very hard on my skin at this point, so I'm just about to go ahead and wash it out, and we'll see what my skin looks like in about a minute. So if you like this video, please go ahead and leave it a like and comment below. Let me know how you like it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that because I will be bringing you with more videos like this. On this channel, we talk about hair, skin, exercises, and all things related. So this is it, you guys. This is what my skin looks like. Again, it's one of the best masks that I've used on my skin, and you can use it as often as possible, every day if you want. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.